How's it flying out like that?
No.
Oh my God, we're gonna get killed! Ew. Ah, it's getting worse!
It's flying out now. That's only the first one or second one.
How can they not be legal if they can sell them? That's the second one.
It's going forever.
It's got every single one of them holes that's going to explode like that. We've got 3 more holes to go.
Are you serious? No, this is the last one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Woo, we survived.